In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit campaign on Google Ads. We'll walk through how to find your campaign, open the correct controls, make clean changes, and know where to go if you need deeper edits. Keep your objectives in mind as you follow along so your updates stay aligned with your goals. First, sign in to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the right permissions to make changes. If you manage multiple accounts, double check the account name at the top to avoid editing the wrong one. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click the campaigns icon. This opens the main workspace where all of your campaigns are listed. If your side panel is collapsed, expand it so the campaign section is easy to see. Next, open the campaigns drop-down and choose campaigns. This view shows your full campaign list with key metrics. If you don't see the campaign you expect, confirm your filters and date range so nothing is hidden. Now find the campaign you want to change and select the checkbox next to it. Selecting the box tells Google Ads you're about to apply edits to that specific campaign. If you're planning a single update, keep it to one campaign to stay precise. At the top of the table, click Edit. This menu surfaces the most common changes like enabling or pausing a campaign, adjusting budgets, changing bidding strategies, or updating basic settings. Use this when you want to make straightforward updates from the overview without diving too deep. Go ahead and make your changes to the campaign settings, then click Save. Take a moment to review before saving. For budgets, remember their daily averages. For bidding, match your strategy to your objectives such as conversions or clicks. For locations and languages, ensure they reflect where your customers actually are. Saving commits the changes immediately, so be confident in what you adjust. If you want more detailed control, click the name of the campaign itself. This opens the full campaign workspace where you can view and edit ad groups, ads, keywords, audiences, locations, schedules, and more. Use these sections to fine-tune performance elements. Work methodically, review each area, and keep notes on what you change so you can measure impact later. That's it. You signed in, navigated to campaigns, selected your campaign, used the edit options, saved your changes, and learned where to go for deeper adjustments. Make incremental edits, give them time to gather data, and keep an eye on performance to validate your updates. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.